Chronicles, oh Chronicles, how lovely are thy Chronicles. I know I've opened a ton of this. You're probably bored with it, but I can't help it. The price is really on sale right now, so, which I know you're probably tired of hearing me say that too, because I do wait for stuff to be on sale. Now, I pre-order most everything that I'm going to open, but then once it's hit the market, I try to watch for it to just go on sale before I buy again, which I think most people do. Nobody wants to spend more money than they have to. Especially in this hobby where everything costs an arm and a dang leg. I was trying to think back before I started this video what was my best pull out of Chronicles so we could judge if I actually top it. But I just don't think I pulled anything really big out of this. Nothing too memorable. Yeah, well, let me take it back. That Boba, that sick Boba auto quad relic, but that came out of a blaster box. Actually, my best pulls for 2019 Chronicles came out of blasters. So maybe I should have found more blasters and bypassed another hobby box, but here it is nonetheless. Alright, let's get into it. Votto. I'm not going to read all the brands and stuff again. I did that when it first came out. Everybody's familiar with it now. Votto, Kopech rookie, Jimenez rookie, Duplantier to 10. Whoa. That is an Obsidian gold autograph. Wish it was a little bit better player, but man, that's a sweet card. Numbered 5 out of 10. Paddock, Jimenez Titan, Paddock again, and Jimenez again. So that was a Jimenez Paddock pack. Alright, there's Ohtani, Kikuchi, a Nathan Lowe Spectra Neon Blue rookie to 99. I love those. Those look so good. Scherzer, nice. A Tatis Obsidian rookie. I should get a parallel version of one of those. Keston and Kristen Stewart. Alright. Lowe, Freeland, Judge, Kevin Newman to 25. Whoa. Green scope, I guess, with a patch there. To 25. That's a gorgeous card. So 2 autos so far, numbered to 25 and 10, so can't argue with that too much. This is a sweet little piece of cardboard too. The Glaber Crusade, I forgot what they call that pattern though. $2.99. Hollow Hyper Prism, something like that. Blake Snell Obsidian. Another Jimenez and Hernandez. Here's a thin pack. If I can get it open. Trout, Senzel, Lopez, Abital of who? What? Anyways, autograph number 3. So I'm still, I think, looking for a mem card. There's a Judge Optic and a really sweet Ohtani parallel numbered to 199. Wave, I think it is. There's so many parallels in the market, I just can't remember. Votto and Paddock Green. Alright, this pack I think has the last hit, so I think they're both pretty heavy though. Cole Tucker. Got stuff upside down. Senzel rookie. There is a Tatis Rookies and Stars Gold to 199. It's a nice card. Kaboom! Spectra. Matt Chapman. silver. Biggio Obsidian rookie, very nice. Yachty and Cole Tucker. Alright. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Alright, Tatis again. This is a really strong Tatis box. I don't even think I have a Vlad Jr. or Alonso out of the entire box. It's just mostly Tatis and Jimenez. Bumgarner, Paddock, and there is a Jimenez. That's going to be the hit. 99. Dual Threat Spectra Neon Blue. Not bad. Could have been just some junk, but that's actually pretty sweet. Alright, Senzel Crusade. Corey Kluber Optic Silver. Kyle Tucker and Hernandez Green. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And then this was really sweet. I've got to complain about something, so I'm going to complain that I didn't get a single Vlad Jr. or Alonso rookie out of that entire box. If I did, I already forgot it, but still pretty good. And like I said, it was on sale, so it's not like I spent an arm and a leg on it like I kind of did when it first came out. So pretty cool. What do I have next? It's gonna be more. Actually, I can't. Oh, Topps Tech is hitting the market next week. Actually, in the next couple of days. Actually, you may be seeing that video before you even see this one. I don't know if there's enough days between now and then to get all of these posted. So I'm apologizing if I say this in the wrong order, but that's coming up. And I also have 20 packs of 2019 Father's Day, which I, of course, adore. That's going to be here hopefully today, but we'll see. It's still early. Mail hasn't run. So anyways, thanks for watching this Chronicles break, and I hope you're doing well, and thank you again, and yeah, goodbye.